Hi guys, my name is Sierra. I be doing YouTube channels. I'm not gonna be doing one today because I'm only gonna be doing it on Monday, Tuesday, probably Friday. But if my cousin is here, and if his mom is here, but sometimes he's different. I'm talking about him. Only if they're here, because I'll be doing it on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Okay? So, I just want to... Hold on, what? No!